Okay, guys, the ultimate cheat code. It's a F350. I just put the 450 badge on it. This is the V10, guys. V10 2-valve. So it's 20-valve engine. Yes, diesels are cool. I love diesels. Love them a lot. They are problematic. Can be, and they can't be. But if you want to be problem-free, you go and get yourself a gas engine Ford. You will have, your just experience will be so much better. You just get in and drive. You don't have to worry about, is it going to start? Is it going to do this? Can I tow this? Hey, when you got the V10, you can tow anything you want. More than enough. Okay? I've had this truck 3 years, problem free. Okay? The V10. Even the V8s. Now the stigma, where the spark plugs blow out of the spark plug holes, is it true? Yeah, that was for the guys who never changed their spark plugs. They never even checked the spark plugs. Yeah, after 180,000 miles, yeah, your spark plug might back out and blow out of the hole. Yeah, and if that happens, you deserve that. Okay? But check your damn spark plugs, people. And you know what? The stigma, I'll just let it ride. I'm not going to argue with everybody. Guess what? 5.4s are cheap. You can get F250s and F350 5.4 V8s for less than $2,000. I've had 3 of them. Okay? And what you can do with the truck is definitely worth more than 3. Okay? So it's up to you. You want to spend the $20,000 or the $15,000 on the diesels and be cool and have it break and lose all your money? Go ahead. I'll stick with the gas. You know what? I just have both. I'll put the 6.4 on later. This one stuck around for 3 years. You know why? Because I'm smart. I know which ones are going to last. Okay? So don't believe all the stuff you hear that the gas engines are bad. They're amazing. And real mechanics know it. Guys who fix their own trucks, they know what to buy. If you want to believe the internet, believe everything you hear. If I believed everything I heard, I would have driven about 300,000 miles less. Everything that people said was wrong, I've put 100,000 miles on cars that people said were no good. They were just written off. Oh, it's junk. And it wasn't. Don't listen to everything you hear. I'm just going to say it. This is the ultimate cheat code. Crew cab dually. Okay? You guys can get into these for cheap. Okay? I'll put the info out there. You want to take my word? Go ahead. If not, have fun. Bye.